To factorize both monic and non-monic quadratic functions, we can use the following method on the screen. Now, this method is basically revolved around trying to find the sum of b by using the products of m and q. So a is mq, b is mq plus c, which is np. Now we apply this by using a cross, so it's m times q and n times p. Now, once we have those products, we just add them together. Now let's look at an example. So say we have 6x squared plus x minus 2. Now you'll ask yourselves, what times what is 6? So 2 times 3 is 6. And what times what is negative 2? Negative 1 times 2 is 2, is negative 2. Now, if we look up here again, we have all the values, so we can simply write the factorized form, which will equal to 2x minus 1. You take these two, and then you take the bottom two together, and 3x plus 2.
Please like and subscribe, please.